WAVwatch, self-care for your body and mind. How to reduce pain medication with sound frequency technology. Taking pain medicine has become the norm to cure ailments inside your body, although it is not the safest way to go about it. Over-the-counter pain relief, like NSAIDs, are used to relieve pain, inflammation, and fever. Acetaminophen is used to relieve mild to moderate pain. How can you relieve pain naturally? Many people seek health alternatives to treat pain rather than using pain medicine. For centuries, thousands of people have used the power of these natural pain treatments. People find relief with treatments like sound healing, acupuncture, massage therapy, or yoga. Sound therapy is one of the best and most natural ways to help control pain. It can be your first choice before using over-the-counter and prescription pain relievers. It works and is being proven by medical professionals worldwide. Sound therapy uses different sounds and frequencies to heal your body. It is non-invasive and has been used for centuries to treat various conditions and pain. It can be used to reduce pain and inflammation without resorting to painkillers. Acoustic therapy has also been used to encourage tissue regeneration and wound healing. The WAVwatch is a sound therapy device you can buy online. It is a self-care watch you can place on your wrist. It is 100% portable and can be worn anywhere. It uses natural and safe sound frequencies to correct imbalances in your body. This centuries-old healing method may provide relief without medications. Frequently asked questions. Is it okay to take a pain reliever every day? No, it is not okay to take pain relievers every day. Can sound therapy help with tinnitus? Yes, it can. Give the WAVwatch a try to correct imbalances in your body. Thanks for watching, and find out more about the WAVwatch at WAVwatch.com.